Today, your members entrust you with their capital when they're ready to save and when they're ready to borrow. But when it comes to investing, they leave. And this is the beginning of deposit flight and lost customer relationships. Bluum Finance changes that reality. We enable you to launch personalized AI wealth management and investing solutions directly into your existing platform in weeks, not years, saving you the cost and complexity of brokerage and compliance. My name is Ariel Leachman, and I'm the co-founder of Bluum Finance, and I'm joined by my co-founder, Opi Sanusi. Opi will walk you through what your members' investment experience will look like when fully integrated into your platform.
So because Bluum is an embedded wealth management solution embedded into your existing core banking platform, your customers, your members continue to experience your platform the way they are used to. What Bluum drives is this tab right here, investing. I'm going to take you through what that looks like for John. As part of onboarding, we take John through discovery, as you would with any advisor. We ask a series of questions. Which financial priorities resonate with your situation? Retirement planning, how John wants to retire. So a few more questions to get John's risk profile. John is aggressive. Using this personalized information, we generate the initial version of a personalized real-time financial plan for John. At this point, John can review that financial plan. This is a comprehensive financial plan that goes from income protection, short and long-term investment to retirement planning. It shows John his outlook, his financial outlook at any point in time. On the left, you'll see some of John's personal finance details: income, expense, what his current cash flow looks like. Currently, John is cash flow positive. Emergency fund, how much does he have put away, how much is going into his emergency funds account monthly, how that is being invested. Income protection, insurance, short-term investment, and long-term investment. An important element of this financial plan is the investment policy statement. John comes in here, sees what we've advised as his target allocation to different asset classes. Right here, John's allocation to stock is advised to be at 60%. At that point, John can decide to execute this portfolio plan. This is where we differentiate ourselves beyond just wealth management advisory. We go beyond advisory and we go into execution. Without leaving your core banking solution, John can execute his financial portfolio plan in here. Here we give him the assets that makes up this target allocation. Execute. And the execution happens directly from checking account within your core banking. Select which account he's going to execute this from. And now John has these three assets in his portfolio. He can come in here, review the portfolio, and do self-directed trading. John can search for NVIDIA, trade NVIDIA. He can also do private stock. This is very important. So private market is an emerging asset class that is becoming even more popular now as companies stay private longer before they hit the market. So it's important for you to give your members access to private market. And you can do that within the same platform that we offer. Additionally, we offer personalized insight on this particular asset as it relates to John's financial plan, and impact assessment as John looks to execute a self-directed trade. This portfolio impact is telling John that buying 19 more shares of this stock bridges his tech cap. This is all happening dynamically in an instance. With this informed position, John can execute and continue to manage his portfolio. Beyond investment and advisory, there is a personalized learning module because we believe financial education is as important as advisory. So your members know what investment they are getting into and understand the overall outlay of their investment. A final piece I would like to highlight in here is these learning modules are tracked, personalized to your users. And finally, there's an AI advisor that they can come to and chat with, get more advisory, real-time advisory, analyze my portfolio. You get that in an instance. This is always there for your users as against talking to an advisor twice a year or once every quarter. So this is what John's experience looks like. But for your own internal team, while Bluum takes compliance and regulatory licensing, we are SEC licensed, we give your team a dashboard where they can track and monitor user activities, flag trades, and manage flag trades in here. Additionally, we give audit log and trading activities. Thank you.
Ultimately, this is about enabling your customers to build wealth and ensuring that they do it with you. Stop by our booth and we'll be happy to do a deeper dive on all the features that we showed here. Thank you.